Hi, welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So today, I'm going to show you how do we change the rear wiper of the Toyota Alphard GGH20 or the 20 series models. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you notice is that there is a bolt over here, but do we really need to unbolt this to take the whole thing out just to change the wiper? Because for sure you're not going to be able to change it with the spoiler over here. Alright, so what we'll need to do is we'll need to put this down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the car to accessory, use the rear wiper and turn off the car when the wiper is in the middle. Alright. Okay, so to remove the wiper is fairly simple. So what you do is lift it up a bit, pull the back portion until it goes like that, then just wiggle it out. Alright, so you can see my wiper is already gone. Yeah, so I'm replacing this. Alright, so the replacement wiper that I bought is, I don't know how to pronounce this, Wischer, something like that. Alright, it comes in this card box. Alright, it's a 16-inch, which is exactly the same as your original. Okay, so this it is. So it's a blank. What it does give us is a bunch of connectors, a bunch of mounts actually. Alright, so you have to look at the mount and see which one is closest to your original. Alright, so all these are wrong. So I have 3 here that look similar. Alright, these 3 looks very similar, but in the end I've decided and tested that this is the most suitable one. Wait, hang on. Yeah, this was the most suitable one. Okay, so just plug it in and yeah, so it's just plug it in and clip it. Alright, then it's going to install it. Okay, so installing is the exact opposite of how you remove it. That's it. And just turn the car on and it will go back to its original position. Right, you might want to remove the protector. And we are done. Okay, so how much does this wiper cost me? It's about 22 ringgit. Initially I bought another one from Mr. DIY, but that doesn't fit. That was more to the front and the mount is a bit smaller. Okay, so this DIY probably takes you a couple of minutes, that's all. And yeah, make sure you always keep your rear wipers in tip-top condition, because like what you saw in my existing wiper, the rubber part is broken. If I were to continuously use it, I will have scratches on my glass because the metal will be touching it rather than the rubber. Alright, so that's very important. And yeah, that's about it. So if you like this video, hit the like. If you dislike it, you can always hit that. But if you have not done so, please hit the subscribe, because every subscription counts and there are more projects coming soon. Alright, thank you and have a nice day.